Want a foolproof system to guarantee you never improve, never leave your comfort zone, and never become someone new? Excellent, you're in the right place. Master these subtle, highly effective methods, and you can comfortably remain exactly where you are for years to come. Number 1. The waiting game. Commit to waiting for the perfect moment. Wait for motivation, for less stress, for a sign. Operate under the belief that life will eventually present you with a clear, obstacle-free runway. The key here is to confuse preparation with progress. People who master this technique spend years getting ready to start, while life quietly passes them by. Number 2. The paralysis of indecision. When a decision finally appears, flood yourself with what-ifs. What if you choose wrong? What if you regret it? Frame indecision as prudent caution rather than what it is, active avoidance. By refusing to choose, you let your circumstances choose for you, which is the most effective way to ensure nothing ever changes. Number 3. The illusion of busyness. Fill every waking minute with low-stakes activity. Answer emails, run errands, organize your workspace. Create a whirlwind of motion that feels productive but leads nowhere. This is the art of mistaking activity for achievement. You'll end each day feeling busy but fundamentally static. Number 4. Hosting a harsh inner critic. Cultivate a loud inner voice that specializes in doubt. Let it remind you that you're not smart, ready, or good enough whenever a new challenge arises. Treat this voice as a protector, not a saboteur. The more you listen, the smaller your world becomes. Number 5. Chasing motivation. Tell yourself you'll act only when you feel like it. Treat motivation, a fleeting and fickle emotion, as the necessary fuel for action. This guarantees you'll rarely begin, as inspiration conveniently strikes least when difficult work is required. Successful people have learned to start despite their mood, but you can avoid their results by waiting for a feeling that never comes. Number 6. The comparison trap. Regularly measure your behind the scenes against everyone else's highlight reel. Use their apparent success to fuel your own sense of being behind or inadequate. Let comparisons steal your unique focus and confidence, ensuring your energy is spent on doubt, not action. Number 7. Living in the past. Anchor your identity to old mistakes, failures, or versions of yourself. Carry your history as a weight, not a lesson. If you continually define yourself by who you were, you effectively block the path to who you could become. Number 8. Talking instead of doing. Discuss your plans endlessly. Make vision boards, download apps, and announce your upcoming transformation. Mistake the planning phase for the doing phase. Real change happens in silent, consistent action. Number 9. Curating a stagnant environment. Surround yourself exclusively with people who are also not growing. Immerse yourself in a culture of excuses and comfort. Your environment is a constant, subtle curriculum. If no one around you changes themselves, you'll naturally adopt the same script. Number 10. The isolation gambit. Go it alone. Frame asking for help as weakness and struggle as shameful. Progress multiplies with accountability and support. So by insisting on solo travel, you guarantee the journey will be slower, harder, and easier to abandon. This isn't a list to make you feel guilty. It's a mirror. These patterns aren't moral failures. They are default human settings for avoiding risk and discomfort. The question is, which one will you stop doing today?